Welcome to Yoga with Carolynne. Today is a breathing meditation where we explore alternate nostril breathing, which is a really balancing breathing pattern and also can help invite in some calm and grounding energy. So today's practice, you are going to be seated for the entire time. So maybe that's seated on the ground or you're seated on a chair or on the couch. The most important part is that you find yourself in a seated shape that feels comfortable and supported. There's no specific way that needs to look like, so please take a moment to find that and we'll get started. Welcome to Yoga with Carolynne, teaching empaths and sensitive souls just like you how to create a collaborative relationship with your body through cozy, accessible yoga and self-care practices in order to live a life filled with less doing and more being. So once you have found that comfortable shape, you're either seated on the ground or you're seated on a chair or on the couch and you're using whatever props will help make the shape comfortable, then you allow yourself to settle into stillness. And if at any point during the practice today you feel like stillness is kind of annoying and your body wants to move, then all good. You can pause the video or you can even move or stretch at any point if you need to. You don't need to stay completely still during the entire practice. So alternate nostril breathing, like I mentioned at the beginning, is really what the aim is here, is to help balance the body. So if you're feeling a lot of a certain type of energy, maybe you're feeling really high up here, or maybe you're feeling really low and sluggish, or you're feeling all over the place, this breathing pattern can really help invite in kind of the opposite energy of what you're feeling and help balance you out. So I know that sounds kind of very grandiose. What's actually happening in the body when we're breathing alternatively between the right and the left side of the nose, it helps kind of light up the right and the left side of the brain, one after the other, which then helps balance out the right and the left side of the body. I'm not like a scientist, so I don't have actual facts in terms of what's actually happening in the body, but I know for myself, this breathing pattern is really just a tool that I turn to in my own self-care practice. So I hope that it really serves you well. So you'll find yourself with your hands on your lap or your knees, and we just take a moment here to arrive. So you can bring the eyes to a close if that would feel safe, if that would feel comfortable. Maybe you'd like to take a few sighs, a few exhales out the mouth. And you let yourself arrive. Take a moment here to notice how you're feeling. There's no right or wrong answer to that question. There's no shoulds in this space. However it is that you have arrived is welcome. And you'll take 3 really kind of intentional, deep breaths here at your own time, at your own pace. Once you've taken those 3 deep breaths, you'll softly open up into the eyes, and then we'll explore. So the entire time that you're going to be moving through this breathing pattern, you're breathing in and out of your nose. And what we're going to be doing is you're going to be blocking the right nostril and then the left nostril and alternating from side to side as you continue to breathe. So every time you're going to be switching which nostril is being blocked is every time you exhale. You're going to be using your hand to help you throughout this breathing pattern. So you can use your right or your left hand. I'm going to demo it with my right hand just because I'm right-handed. And you'll start by taking a look at your hand and dropping in the middle finger and the index finger. And you'll turn the palm of your hand towards your face and you come and bring your hand in front of your face. So there's 2 different ways that you can practice this breathing exercise with your right hand. You will be using the thumb and your ring finger to be blocking the right and the left nostril. So you can either keep the fingers in towards the palm of your hand, or if you want a little added support for this arm, then you can position those fingers connected to your forehead. If at any point your right arm gets kind of tired, then all good. Just place your left hand underneath of your right elbow so that you can help support this right arm. And then we begin. So you'll start by blocking the right nostril. Take an inhale in the left side. Switch, so you'll block the left nostril and exhale at the right side. Inhale on the right side. Switch, blocking the right nostril, exhale out the left side. Inhale left. Switch, exhale right. Inhale right. Switch, exhale left. Inhale left. Switch, exhale right. Then continue. You can drop the eyelids. Your face remains soft. So a reminder that you're breathing in and out of the nose. And every time you switch the positioning of your hand, it's on the exhale. Stay with it. You're doing beautifully. Next time you exhale, you'll bring the right hand back down onto the lap. Keep your eyes closed here so that you can allow your awareness to stay inside. What do you feel? Notice the effects of that breathing pattern. If you don't quite know how you feel, that's okay. Feelings don't always need to be labeled, they are meant to be felt. To end the practice, let's take 3 exhales, 3 letting go of breaths. You'll take an inhale with me. Out the mouth, let it go. 2 more like that at your own pace. Softly opening up into the eyes. Thank you so much for joining me during today's breathing meditation of alternate nostril breathing. I hope that today's practice was something that was supportive. If it was new, I hope that learning something new was kind of interesting. And if it was like your good old favorite breathing pattern, then thank you for being here. And I am really, really honored to have held space for whatever it is that you are navigating today. If you liked today's video, I would really appreciate it if you left me a comment down below and subscribe to the channel if you're not, or share the video with somebody that you love or you think would really benefit from this practice. Those are some of the easiest and the best ways to help support more free online accessible yoga. I hope that you have a beautiful rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.